Today we're going to be diving into one of my favorite home brewing methods, one that I use every Saturday and Sunday, the Moccamaster. Now, this is a very simple and very effective way to get amazing cafe quality filter coffee in your home. You will need a coffee grinder capable of grinding medium to coarse grinds. You will need your Moccamaster, the 1.25 Select is what we are using today. You will need a paper filter. You will need some fresh filter roasted coffee beans. As well, you want some nice fresh water. Now let's measure out our coffee. The general rule of thumb is you want to use 1 gram of coffee to approximately 17 mils of water. Today we're going to be using 30 grams of coffee and 500 mils of water. Next, we're going to grind our coffee. Today we're going to be using the Ethiopian Guji, specifically roasted for filter. Now this coffee is light, bright, very fruity and transparent. Absolutely perfect for the Moccamaster. We want to use a medium grind size. I like to use beach sand as the reference. Now, if we go too fine on our grind setting, the cup can become very bitter, very strong. However, if we grind too coarse, the cup can be under extracted and weak, like the last season of Game of Thrones. Now let's set up the Moccamaster. Take a paper filter, place it inside the cone. We now take our ground coffee and add to our filter paper. I like to make sure that the coffee is nice, flat and even to make sure that we have a nice even extraction. Now we add the water to the water reservoir. The lines on the side of the Moccamaster are very accurate, so I like to fill this up to number 4, which is 500 mils. Now it's time to start brewing. When I hit this switch, our cold water will drop into the heating element and then come back up and start pouring over our coffee grounds. If your coffee is fresh, you'll see a lot of gases released for the first 30 to 45 seconds, and that will allow for the transparency in the cup to really shine. Once brewing is finished, you're left with an aromatic pot of delicious coffee. So pour yourself a cup, drink it black, drink it white, drink it with cream, with sugar, however you like. But don't drink it black like a respectable person. Just kidding. Or am I? And that's it. If you found this video helpful at all, or if you've got a bean that you'd like to drink on your Moccamaster, let us know in the comments. Follow along for more, subscribe, check the behind the scenes videos, and until next time, peace.